checking out Port Impact's live performance of Bang Bang at P-PopCon. I'm super excited for this, so let's dive right in and hit play. Lane, di mo shinout-out si P-Pop Music. Ako na magsha-shoutout sa'yo sa pag-upload nito live performance ng banda Port Impact. Wow, just listen to the crowd. The screams are so loud and the way they entered, so powerful and impactful. It gave me instant goosebumps. Yeah. And I have to say their dancing skills are just on another level. They move so clean and sharp with so much confidence. Yung crowd hype na hype. Wow! Almira, boses ni Almira yun. Kabisado ko yung mga boses nila. Alam mo, this whole performance brings back so much nostalgia for me because I remember watching them back in the UK and being completely amazed by their talent even then. What blows my mind is that even while they're dancing non-stop, their vocals stay strong and steady. Plus, they are hitting those high notes like it's nothing. I was especially looking forward to the rap part. Napaka-super talented kasi nila dahil dalawa yung nagra-rap, diba? Narinig mo? Yeah? Their choreography in some part is just so adorable and it makes you smile while watching even with all the intensity sa boses nila, diba? Yes! Wow. Wow. In that ending, it gave me full body goosebumps. There was so much happening, so many powerful moments. I was glued to every single member and that high kick. What a way to end the performance. Overall, that performance was just absolutely incredible. For Impact brought everything vocals, choreography, stage presence, and pure passion. From the first beat to the final pose, they had me hooked the whole way. Yan. Nai-speechless ako. Yun na lang ang masasabi ko. That's a full 10 out of 10 from me, no doubt. Ikaw naman, ano masasabi mo? Yeah. Me? I like their closing. I like their clothing style. Gaganda. Their vocal power was amazing. Siyempre, always. Everyone here is singing at full voice, diba? Umpisa pa lang, pasabog na. Masasabi ko, everyone should know them kasi they're talented. And I noticed Almira's growl. That's amazing. And pati yung whistle note also bumagay din sa song. Overall, Port Impact's vocals blend impressive technical skill with artistic flair. Their live performance, yung harmonies talaga, strong belts and dynamic, delivery, rapping. Kaya I'll give give them a score of 10. Sana may mag-send sa atin ng mga ano. Gusto kong makapanood na. Yung funny side nila. Funny side. Yung mga chaotic moments. Funny moments nila. Oo. Kung may ganon. Sana. I hope so.